If you're planning on driving into Baja from the US, there's one thing you absolutely must have. That's Mexican car insurance. Our next guest is Geoff Hill. Geoff is here from Baja Bound Insurance, based in San Diego. Very reputable. They've been in business for, since 1994. So they've been around a lot. They know what you need when you're driving down here to be safe and secure. And they're also a sponsor of Baja Window to the South. Geoff, welcome to the show.
Thank you for having me.
And thank you for keeping us safe.
Yeah.
It's our pleasure.
Yeah. So the Mexican insurance is so important when you come to Baja. Tell us why people really need to get that before they cross the border.
Yeah, first and foremost, when you cross the border, your U.S. coverage ceases to exist, at least from the standpoint of liability. Your U.S. company might cover you a short distance for your car only, which is to say if you back into something, ding your car, or if it gets stolen, they might cover you. Depends on the company. But under no circumstances can your U.S. company provide liability coverage in Mexico. So that's where we come in. We're basically a broker for two different companies, HDI and Chubb. Chubb's based in Mexico City, HDI is based in Guanajuato. And so we work directly with these two companies to provide coverage for people so they can travel and feel comfortable and confident on the road.
And then you also make it simple because you have for day, week, month, or the whole year. So can you please tell us a little bit more about some of the clients that you see or you have seen throughout these years?
Yeah, we get a little bit of everything. Folks that are just going down, for a weekend in the Valle, folks that do long road trips that are on the road for months at a time. And then there's folks that have a second home down there or are expats that live down there full time. So we've got everything from a single day all the way up to a year. So.
And what are some of the ways that that people can contact you or get a hold of you? Can they do it online? What is the process?
Yeah, so we've been online since 1999, but we also have a staff of 8, so you can do everything from the website. It's mobile friendly as well. You can do it on your phone. And if you have questions or have an issue that you're trying to get a policy, you can call the office, and one of our agents are always happy to help out, and we're available 9 to 5 Monday through Friday.
Beautiful. And what about their license plates? Because obviously they're coming from the United States, and they could come from any state in the United States.
We can technically cover any plates from anywhere in the world except Mexico because it's tourist. Yeah,
wow.
So yeah, we get people that come over from Europe and they'll bring the car over, and so yeah, we get anywhere in the world except Mexico. We can't insure Mexico.
And probably a lot of Canadians, because I know Baja's a very big destination for people up north of the United States.
Very big for the snowbirds. Yes, they love to get away from the cold weather and enjoy the warm weather in Mexico.
And there are some things that people need to be aware of too that could potentially invalidate their insurance. Is that true? Like if you're drinking and driving or?
Yeah, drinking and driving and drugs, that is a big no-no. And not for our companies, but there are some companies that historically have basically said if you don't have an FMM in place at the time of an accident or something happening, they won't cover it. But HDI and Chubb, we have it in writing. Even if you forget to get your FMM, it's still very important to get it. I get one. I just got one on the way in.
Okay. Good man.
Yeah, but they would not deny a claim because of your FMM.
Good to know.
Yeah.
And for people who don't know out there watching us, Geoff, what is the FMM?
It's basically, I guess it's not really a tourist visa, but it's basically your paperwork to travel in the country legally. So you can get it for a week for free, or I get one for 6 months. It's $32. So
it's a deal.
Yeah, it's a terrific deal. I mean, for being in Mexico legally, enjoying Baja California, you've got the paperwork you need.
You have your insurance.
Insurance you need, life is good.
You can just have a good time at that point. You don't have to worry about anything.
Exactly.
And is there any specifications on any cars?
Any specifications?
Uh-huh.
I mean, we can insure almost anything. And we do get some, racers that have some pretty interesting vehicles.
That's why I asked that question.
So some of the vehicles are so valuable. They've got so much added to them. We can only go up to 100,000 on standard passenger vehicles in value. But then with RVs and a lot of the conversion vans, you're seeing the Sprinter vans that people are buying, and they're making them into a miniature RV. We can do up to 300,000 on those.
Beautiful. Thank you so much. Thank you for being here with us. It's been such a pleasure. Thank you for keeping us safe,
Right. Yes. Thank you very much.
And for simplifying it and making it easy for all of us to just get it, either for the day, for the week, and just enjoy your time when you come to Baja.
Right, and I can vouch for that because when I signed up for my insurance policy with Baja Bound, literally took me maybe 5 minutes online, Geoff. It was nothing, it was easy.
Yeah, we've worked very hard to make the website as user-friendly and as streamlined as possible. So,
Thank you.
Thank you guys very much. Thank you.